Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Mustang bumper. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have a clear, well-lit area to work safely. Before you begin, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery to prevent electrical issues. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe removal process. Now, let's start with the front bumper. Begin by removing all the fasteners that connect the bumper to the fender liners, usually small screws or plastic clips. Next, gently detach the grille and any electrical connectors for components like fog lights or sensors. Finally, locate and remove the main mounting bolts, which are typically found behind the bumper cover, often requiring a socket wrench for access. Moving to the rear bumper, open your trunk and carefully remove any interior trim panels that might be covering access points. You'll then need to disconnect any wiring harnesses for the tail lights, backup sensors, or license plate lights. After that, locate and unbolt the main bumper support brackets, which are usually secured directly to the car's chassis. Take your time to ensure all connections are free. Once all fasteners and connections are removed, carefully pull the bumper away from the vehicle. It's highly recommended to have a second person assist you to prevent damage during this step. Before reinstallation, inspect all mounting points and clips for any wear or damage. Reinstalling the bumper is essentially the reverse of the removal process, ensuring all connections and fasteners are securely reattached.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.